look at the stocks that I'll be watching for next week. First stock which comes in is LN, which is the Line Corporation. Um, so if you look at the weekly chart on this, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's a fairly new IPO if you look at it, so not a lot of trading history, but whatever history that we have, it looks pretty positive. Right when it opened, it had a dip. The dip got bought. It went from 36 all the way till 48, so went up about 12 bucks and had a sideways consolidation. What I really like is it closed above the key $46 level, which is on the weekly chart. Let's do it on here. Now here's what I'll be watching for the coming week. Few ways you can play for it. Firstly, is you can play for the dip. Hopefully it goes green to red. Red to green, and you can play that. So the other, if you're looking to put a buy stop, 46.50 would be a good level to look at. Let me see. So let's say for the next week, if it goes red and then it quickly goes green or 46.50, that would be a good play to see if it can go towards 50. Because after this big push, this sideways consolidation is pretty healthy. And if you look at the volume, the volume pretty much dried up over here, right? So it's only got picked up again on Friday. So over 46.50 would be a push all the way towards the highs. That's for LN. The other stock I'm looking at is MOMO. Now the daily chart on the MOMO is gonna look a bit funky over here. So it doesn't really look easy as a way to day trade, but I think it would be a good one to swing trade. It went from 16 to 26 bucks. If you look on the weekly chart is a bit more clear. Right. So it went from 10 bucks to over 26 bucks, so 150% increase, right, or a bit more. It's almost doubled its price and a bit more. The $20 level actually got held the week before, and now after this up move, they're trying to do a sideways consolidation on here. So I'll put it on my radar. If it goes over, say, $25, $50 level, maybe a region for me to go long. If it's again the red to green move, a few more consolidations on the sideways would be okay as well. I mean, after a big move, considering on lower volume, it's pretty natural to happen. The next one is Q. Q is the weekly chart looks good on the Qs. It went from 63 to 78, had a bit of a low volume consolidation. The way to play it would be if it holds the $78.50 level. I mean, if for some reason for the next week if it drops around the $78.50, that would be a good reason to buy. If not, try to play on the breakout over 80. So those are the only three names I'm looking at for the week. If anything else comes up during the week, I'll let you know on Twitter or StockTwits. Follow me on there at WatchListStock. Any questions, hit me up. Have a good one.